Hello, hello, hello! Hi everyone! Today's video we're going to make another chocolate dessert. Yay! This beautiful dessert are pieces of cheesecake on a stick, dipped in chocolate and super delicious. And I really can't wait to try! So let's get started! Using a food processor, we're going to make the crust first for the cheesecake. Let's start to pulse a bit, and then we're going to add sugar, salt, lemon zest, then start pulsing a little bit more. And next, add in melted butter, and we're going to start pulsing again until it reaches fine texture like this. Transfer the crust into a round baking pan. We can flatten them using a spoon or your hand just to make sure there's no holes and gaps around. And we're going to bake the crust at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for around 8 minutes. Then, remove from the oven. Set aside. We also can grease the side of the pan from the leftover melted butter. Time to make the filling. We're gonna need 3 blocks of softened cream cheese. Drink! Off you guys into the bowl. Fill it with a paddle attachment. We're going to start beating the cream cheese and gradually add in the sugar. We're going to beat on a medium-high speed until light and fluffy. Scrape down the bowl as needed. Well, should be all the way down to the bottom and around the paddle attachment. Yeah, so we don't get chunks of cream cheese at the bottom. Now we're gonna add lemon zest, salt, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and cornstarch. Continue beating them until creamy. Now we're gonna add 3 eggs and 1 egg yolk into the cream cheese mixture on a medium speed. Beat the egg one at a time until smooth and incorporated. Oops, should be one at a time. Yeah. Once all the eggs are well incorporated, scrape down the bowl just to make sure the mixture is nicely smooth. Now we're gonna add sour cream and on a low speed, mix everything until well combined. As you see, the cheesecake mixture is completely beautiful and smooth as silk batter. Hee hee! Now, we're ready to pour this beautiful batter into the prepared crust. To level it up, we could also gently shake the batter. We're gonna bake this cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes, then turn the oven down to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 40 minutes. Once it's done, turn off the oven and let the cream cheese cool in the oven for an hour. And crack the oven door a bit and leave it there for another hour and take it out from the oven. Once it's completely cooled, we're going to chill it in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours, but better leave it overnight. And this is the fun part! Time to prepare the topping and ganache. So, I have toasted walnuts and hazelnuts, white and green tea ganache, and as for the chocolate ganache, to make it more rich of flavor, I added 2 tablespoons of chocolate hazelnut spread. Look, you can see now how beautiful, creamy, and rich chocolate ganache we have here. So, look at this! We have chocolate ganache, white chocolate ganache, green tea ganache, caramel, and some toppings. Now we're going to slice the cheesecake. First, warm up the knife with warm water, or we could wipe it off with a damp cloth and then wipe it off again each time we make a slice. Time to assemble the cheesecake! Assemble the cheesecake by inserting the sticks. You could also use lollipop sticks, skewers, popsicle sticks, which you can buy from your local supermarket or dollar store. Cover or dip each slice of the cheesecake into the chocolate ganache, and the rest decorate as desired. Chill in the fridge for at least 2 hours. And now, finally, the cheesecake sticks are ready! They all look so good and yummy and creamy and sweet and colorful, and even my little baby can't wait to try! This chocolate cheesecake on a stick is also a good treat for birthday or even snacks at home. Let's give it a try. You know guys, I'm not gonna lie, one bite is not enough. Give me more and more! Thank you guys for watching. So don't forget to gather all the ingredients and let's rock our kitchen and make this super delicious dessert at home. And see you again next time. Bye!